Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to contact Hotmail for support in case you're having issues with your account, password, or anything else. Yeah, it's actually pretty straightforward, so let's dive in. First, go ahead and sign into your Hotmail account using your email and password. If you're already logged in, that's great. Just make sure you're on the main inbox page. Next, look for the help icon at the top right corner, usually a question mark or the word help. Click on it, and it will open Microsoft's support options. Now you'll see a list of common issues like password problems, account recovery, or email sending issues. Select the one that matches your problem. This helps narrow down the support options. Once you choose your issue, Hotmail will show you the available contact methods. This can be live chat, email support, or sometimes a phone number. Pick whichever works best for you and follow the prompts to submit your request. After sending your request, you should see a confirmation message or ticket number. Keep this handy in case you need to follow up. And yeah, that's basically it. Hotmail support will get back to you based on the method you chose. So that's all there is to contacting Hotmail for support in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials. Thanks for watching.